My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension that is called Load All Links. So, Load All Links is indeed an unwanted extension that is designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that it allows the user to easily gather all links on a page in one place and then load each link with a single click. Maybe this feature is helpful for some people, but the trouble is that this particular extension actually operates as adware. If it gets installed, it starts to display the tremendous portion of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. If this extension was added, you need to get rid of it. But to make it possible, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then you need to disable and remove any third-party extensions if they were added. Also, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start carefully researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.